So this is our room, 8212. Put my key in when we walk in. First thing is the closets. Look, there's a Krista.
There's a Krista.
And over here to your right, of course, is the bathroom. Oh, watch step when you go in here. Nice shelving. Blue, my favorite color. Cups, sink, towels. You need those, wash body. And they have the shower gel and body wash containers. Nice, good sized shower, you know. And toilet area, extra amenities, things you need. And right across from the restroom, bathroom, whatever you want to call it, 3 closets. First closet, safe, extra pillows, blankets, and the ever important life jackets. Hope you have them, hope you never have to use them. This closet right here, it's a good amount of space there, guys. I think that's enough for just my clothes. And then the other closet, space right up there. And over this way is the desk. We got some of our stuff in already. Ooh, got some water. Ordered the water. Drawer space right here. 3 drawers here. Here's the little fridge. Trash can down there. Little stool. Some more kind of shelving area. TV. Over on this side is technically, this room technically sleeps 3, but you know, it is what it is. We like it. It's just the 2 of us, king size bed, yeah. And shelving over here, nice. And then I think some more storage space right there.
These are our bags. So part of our group, we have fun points. So these are the bags that every member of our party gets. So they're blue and red. I don't know how they're showing on camera. And they say Carnival on the bottom. And it's a little tote bag. Pretty cool.
Light's what you need at. And here's our balcony. It's so awesome. We're at the Charleston port. It's the closest one to our house. And Carnival is exclusive to them right now. Hoping to get more.
There's a window too that leads to the king bed. It's hard to see right now.
Hard to see.
You can tell they just power washed.
Yes.
Looks like. Hi friends, so I wanted to show you a little bit of our stateroom after we have moved in and lived in it for a day. So here's the bathroom, all of our toiletries and stuff are over there. There's more in the shower back there. This first closet just has shoes. That's really all we put in there. The safe, life jackets. This one is Pandas. So there's all of his shirts. There's my luggage because it wouldn't fit under the bed, and his suit bag case. There's my hang-ups and pretty dresses. Over here, there's some really nice shelving. So we have all of our sprays and things up here. This is where we put stuff that we don't really necessarily need, but until specific nights. Down here, ice bucket, which I have them bring me ice every night. Waters, these are $3.75 a piece, but we bought a whole case. These drawers down here are Pandas. And there's my panda. Hi. Hi. And then, so this is just kind of a throw me all because we don't really need that space. We just kind of have some stuff sitting out. And then this is my space over here. So my shoes and hat are up there. My makeup bin, stuff for 80s night and accessories. bags, glasses, whatever, and then my clothes are down there. Something that is cool about this room is there are light switches everywhere. So this is for the light that is out there. You can kind of see it. All of these lights have switches on them that turn reading lights and make it go down. Can you turn the one on behind you, babe?
I'll turn the big lights on.
Okay. There you go. So that's what the reading light looks like right there. You can turn those on or off. So that's really nice if you're... Well, that's what we actually had on last night while we were watching TV. So yeah, it's cozy. It's quaint. There's not really a whole lot we need it for. And then the amazing view, which is the whole reason we got this stateroom. So yeah, that's what it looks like with everything moved in. If you have any questions or anything about the stateroom, be sure to let us know that down in the comments, and we will answer everything that we can. Have a great day.